Hey, what's up? This is Norris. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk a little bit about Sword Academy. Now, if you didn't know, my wife and I, we own swordacademy.com, which is an online sewing school built for true beginners. So you don't need to have any experience at all. You can sign up and start from the very first course, which is literally taking the sewing machine out of the box. And we show you how to thread it, show you how to do a straight stitch, and then it just builds on to garment sewing and then start pattern making and designing and so many other things. It was very successful with women's wear. So the next year we started the menswear, and now I've developed into an instructor and I teach all of the men's courses. So for $11.97 you can sign up and you can take the menswear or the women's wear, or you can do both for $17.97 a month. And it's basically just like Netflix. Once you sign up, you have access to all the courses, but we do recommend you start from the very beginning. All right. With that being said, we're going to do a monthly review of the projects and the different things that we teach on Sword Academy, just so you can have an insight on what we're doing. Obviously, we can't go through all of the previous courses, but we are going to start from this one, which is the month of June. So this right here is a blazer. And in this month's course, we did the third part of a three-part course of basic tailoring. So the first part of the three-part course was the build out of the jacket. Now the build out is quite a few skills that goes into that. So we have the chest build out, we have the canvas, we have interfacing, we have the collar, and we also have the shoulder pads, which is so much detail that I put it all in the course for the basic tailoring. So the second part was pretty much doing a muslin, which is a test jacket in cheaper fabric, just so you can understand the structure to make sure you get all the details out the way for fit adjustments before cutting into your good fabric. And then now this month, as you can see behind me, we've completed the jacket, which was from start to finish. I'll show you how you do all the welt pockets. I'll show you how to do the breast pocket right here, which is a welt, the fully lined, the sleeves, the collar, the lapels, all of that, and also including the build out with the shoulder pads and all the stuff that goes up under the lining. All right. So this is just a taste of what goes on in Sword Academy, and you can see everything in the link in the description box below. If you have any questions, there's a free trial if you want to sign up and check it out. So keep in mind, we're going to have updates every month on what's going on in Sword Academy, just so you can get started and make your own clothes and start designing. All right. Until next time, see you next week.